When it comes to premium family MPVs in India, two cars dominate the conversation right now: the all-new Kia Carens Clavis and the Maruti Suzuki XL6. One focuses on premium features, powerful engines, and futuristic technology, while the other focuses on reliability, mileage, and hassle-free ownership. But the big question is, which one should you actually buy? So in this video, we are going to compare the Kia Carens Clavis and the Maruti XL6 in every important category: design, space, performance, mileage, features, safety, maintenance, and finally, value for money. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which MPV is perfect for you and your family. Let's begin. First, let's talk about design and road presence. The Kia Carens Clavis looks modern, futuristic, and much more premium. Kia has given it a bold front design with connected LED DRLs, sharp lighting elements, and a strong SUV-inspired stance. From the front especially, the Clavis looks like a much more expensive vehicle. On the other hand, the Maruti XL6 follows a simpler and more mature design language. It gets rugged body cladding, a muscular grille, and a crossover-style appearance. It may not look as futuristic as the Clavis, but it still has a clean and elegant road presence. Now honestly, if you want attention on the road, the Carens Clavis clearly wins here. It simply looks bigger, newer, and more premium. But if you prefer a simple and classy family car that doesn't look overly flashy, then the XL6 still has its own charm. Now let's move to dimensions and cabin space. The Kia Carens Clavis is longer, wider, and has a bigger wheelbase compared to the XL6. And because of that, the Clavis offers better cabin space, especially in the third row. This is very important because in most MPVs, the third row is usually uncomfortable for adults. But in the Clavis, even taller passengers can sit comfortably for long journeys. The XL6 also offers decent space, but it feels more compact inside compared to the Kia. However, the smaller dimensions of the XL6 actually become an advantage in city driving. It feels easier to park, easier to maneuver in traffic, and more comfortable in narrow streets. So if your usage is mostly city driving, the XL6 feels stress-free. But for large families and long highway trips, the Clavis definitely feels more spacious and premium. Now let's talk about engines and performance. And this is where the biggest difference appears. The Maruti XL6 gets a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine with smart hybrid technology. It produces around 103 horsepower. Now this engine is extremely refined and smooth, but performance is not exciting. It's clearly tuned for comfort and mileage. And honestly, for relaxed family driving, it does the job perfectly fine. But when you compare it to the Kia Carens Clavis, things change completely. The Clavis offers multiple engine options, including a naturally aspirated petrol, a diesel engine, and most importantly, a powerful 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine producing around 160 horsepower. And this turbo engine completely transforms the driving experience. Acceleration feels strong, overtakes are effortless, and highway performance is significantly better than the XL6. If you enjoy driving, the Clavis turbo petrol is on another level compared to the XL6. Then comes the diesel engine option. And this is another major advantage for Kia, because Maruti does not offer a diesel engine anymore. For long-distance highway users, the diesel Clavis makes a lot of sense because of its strong torque and relaxed cruising ability. So overall, in terms of performance, the Kia Carens Clavis is the clear winner. But now comes the category where Maruti fights back very strongly: mileage and ownership cost. The XL6 is simply one of the most fuel-efficient premium MPVs in India. The petrol version delivers around 20 to 21 kilometers per liter, while the CNG version can go up to around 26 kilometers per kilogram. And that makes daily running costs extremely low. The Kia Clavis, especially the turbo petrol version, cannot match this efficiency. Yes, The diesel engine is still economical for highways, but overall, the XL6 is much cheaper to run and maintain. And when we talk about maintenance, Maruti has a massive advantage in India. The service network is huge, spare parts are easily available, service costs are lower, and resale value is excellent. This is exactly why so many Indian families trust Maruti cars blindly. The Kia ownership experience feels more premium, but long-term maintenance costs are definitely higher compared to the XL6. Now let's move to interior quality and features. And honestly, this is where the Clavis feels like it belongs to a segment above. The dashboard design looks modern and premium. You get dual large screens, ambient lighting, ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, premium audio system, and even ADAS level 2 features. Yes, ADAS in an MPV. That means features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, collision warning, and more. The cabin experience in the Clavis genuinely feels futuristic. Now the XL6 also offers good features like ventilated seats, captain seats, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a 360-degree camera. But compared to the Clavis, the interior feels simpler and less luxurious. So if you love gadgets, premium interiors, and latest technology, the Clavis easily wins this round. Now let's talk about safety. Both cars offer 6 airbags and important safety features like ESC and hill hold assist. But again, the Clavis moves ahead because of its advanced ADAS package and more premium safety technology. For buyers who prioritize modern safety systems, the Clavis definitely feels more future-ready. Finally, let's answer the most important question. Which one should you buy? Well, the answer completely depends on your priorities. If you want a premium family car with strong road presence, powerful engines, modern features, better third-row comfort, and a more luxurious cabin experience, then the Kia Carens Clavis is absolutely worth considering, especially the turbo petrol and diesel variants. But if your priority is mileage, low maintenance, reliability, easy ownership, and long-term peace of mind, then the Maruti XL6 still remains one of the smartest family cars in India. It may not be as flashy or feature-loaded as the Clavis, but it delivers exactly what most Indian families need: comfort, practicality, efficiency, and trust. So in simple words, the Kia Carens Clavis is the hard choice. The Maruti XL6 is the brain choice. Now comment below and tell us, which one would you choose for your family? And if you enjoyed this detailed comparison, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more automotive content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.